Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. We are having another baby in March and I wanted to find a bassinet that could have a bedside sleeper mode. And thankfully I found this one from ANGELBLISS that fits in so well with our room. I love the look of it with its nice gray tones, and it is so easy to turn it into bedside sleeper mode, but I will never worry that it's just going to come down on its own. You have to squeeze these little handles to pull them down. I also love that it came with a mattress, which is great, with this cute star pattern, and that it has 4 wheels, which makes it super easy to wheel around if you want to move it from room to room. You can also adjust to have one side a little higher than the other if your baby does have reflux, so you don't have to worry about them when they are sleeping. It is super easy to adjust and it has many different levels. Also, the attachment that goes underneath the mattress is nice and big. It's not going to slip, so the bassinet is not going to roll away from your bed. And it has this extra storage underneath, which is perfect because if you are a parent, you know how much stuff you need for a baby. Any extra storage is good. If you or someone you know is in need of a bedside bassinet, I highly recommend this one from ANGELBLISS. It has so many different options. It comes with a mattress and it has included storage underneath, which who doesn't need more storage? I love it and you will too, but that's just my point of view.